This channel has 68,000 subscribers with just 21 videos, and this one under the same niche has gained 34,000 subscribers with just 18 videos, and it has started 2 months ago. I'm going to show you exactly how to start a channel like this for free. Creating these videos is super easy, anyone can do that. My question is, are you willing to sacrifice at least 2 hours a day for this task? If you can do that for 30 days straight, this can replace your 9-to-5 job. First of all, let me explain about this niche and why it's so good to start as a beginner. If you take a look at these video topics, this one is Trick Your Brain to Crave Doing Hard Things, Lotus Method Simplified. And this one is How to Study After Wasting the Whole Day. This niche is about productivity and how to focus and study better. Their target audience is young people, especially those between 15 to 27 years old who are studying in colleges and campuses. So we are talking about millions of audience. And that's one of the reasons why this niche is a good pick, because it has a lot of young audience. And the next important factor is, this is not rocket science. It can be understood by anyone easily, and therefore, anyone can start to make videos under this niche. And finally, creating these kinds of videos is super easy. You only need to spend around 2 hours a day. According to The Social Blade, this channel is making around $1,800 a month with just these 21 videos. So yeah, this niche can replace your 9-to-5 job. I'm going to create a channel for this niche from scratch, and then I will show you how to make videos for it as well. First, we need to find a name, create a logo, and a banner. And also we need to customize this new channel. Let's use ChatGPT to generate several name ideas for this unique niche. So these are not complicated tasks. Simply ask ChatGPT to give us some example name ideas for this niche. As you can see here, we have some cool name ideas. So the name that caught my eye was this one called Clarity Hub. Let's go with this. Now I'm going to use Canva to create a logo for this name. First, let's click this small plus icon, and I'm going to select this custom size option from here. You need to add the height and width as 2000 pixels because it's the ideal size for the YouTube logo. Okay, now here's the dashboard that we are going to edit. First, I'm going to go to these elements and select this square shape, and we need to adjust it to fit this dashboard. Okay, now you need to select the color theme for your channel. For this example channel, I'm going to select this yellow color. It's completely up to you, but make sure you use a calm and earthly color. Now, I'm going to go to elements again and let's search for thinking. I need to find a suitable graphic to represent thinking. I think this would be cool, so let's add it to our logo. I think this looks cool. You can use this type of suitable graphic on your logo. Then click this download button to download the logo. Then we need to make the banner image as well. When it comes to the banner image, make sure to use 2540 pixels as the width and 1440 pixels as the height. You don't need to have a fancy banner image for your channel. A simple design would be okay. I'm going to add a square shape to this dashboard as well. Then, let's adjust it to fit the surface area, and let's use the same yellow color theme as we did with the logo. Okay, I'm going to add this simple stick figure graphic to this. You don't need to do the same thing I'm doing and using. Just be unique and use your own creativity, because it's going to be your channel, not mine. Finally, I'm going to add a text layer to this design and add a simple slogan like this to our banner image. If you can't think of any slogans, just use ChatGPT to find slogan ideas. It's really simple. And with that, the channel branding part is done. The next step is to create the channel. Okay, I'm going to keep it simple. If you have an old Gmail account, use it to create your channel, and don't upload the videos as soon as you create your channel. Instead, you need to warm up your channel for at least 14 days after creating it. Then you can start to upload videos. Once you create your channel, the first thing you need to do is go to channel settings and select this channel option. First, you need to select your country, then make sure to add all the necessary keywords related to your channel's niche as channel tags. Then go to this feature eligibility option and select these intermediate features. Here you must verify your phone number, so make sure to complete this process as well. Now we can move on to the content creation process. First, let's see how to find viral video ideas for this niche. You can check your competitors and see what kinds of topics are getting a lot of views. And those are the topics that you also need to make videos about. What you can do is find such viral topics and go to ChatGPT and insert those topics and ask like this, analyze these topics and make 10 more video ideas around these topics. And then ChatGPT will give you brand new video ideas for your niche based on those viral topics. These are the topics I got. I'm going to select one of these topics and let's make a video script for it. You can use ChatGPT to generate a video script on these topics, but make sure to add your own ideas to it as well. Don't make it 100% AI generated, make it 50-50. Here's the prompt I'm going to use for this process. All you need to do is copy this prompt and insert your topic into this, and ChatGPT will generate a unique video script for this topic. Now read this whole script and convert it into your own words. Don't use this directly. After that, you can use an AI voice generator like 11 Labs and generate voiceovers. Make sure to select a suitable AI voice. I'm not going to show you the process step by step because I know that you all know how to do that. After that, we can move on to the visual creation process. If we take a look at these example channels, this one is using stick figure animations to make these videos. You can do that easily with Canva. I've already made a tutorial about how to make stick figure animation videos with Canva. You can check this video for that. And this channel is using these advanced stick figure animations. So that's what I'm going to show you today. We only need to use Google Gemini for this. First, I'm going to go to Gemini AI and add this pre-made prompt. In this prompt, I have described the art style I want for these images, and now you need to simply describe the scenes you want. In this case, I'm going to add a student sitting near his table in the room and looking at a laptop. Okay, this is the result I got. Now let's make the face a little bit bored. You just need to type what you want to do with this image. With this AI, it's going to only change that specific detail. Now I'm going to ask it like this. This person is looking at his phone in his hand. Okay, this is exactly what I wanted. So just like this, you can easily generate all the images you want for your video. Once you have completed that, you can use a video editor like CapCut to edit this video. Trust me, this editing part is the easiest process in this tutorial. Open CapCut and start a new project. First, you need to import all the images and voiceovers and other materials into this project. Then, add the voiceover files to the timeline and add the image in the correct order. You can also mix these images with some stock videos as well. It doesn't matter. If you can add text animations, that would be much better. And make sure to add subtitles as well. For that, you can go to this text feature and select the auto caption option and generate captions for the whole video. Then, you can edit those using this menu. Make sure to use a cool font like this and use the animation feature to add suitable text sliding animations for the subtitle. And finally, you can add suitable background music for this video. I would recommend that you guys to use the YouTube audio library for that. And here is the first scene of this example video.
Let's be real. Most of us sit down to study, open our books or laptop, and within 10 minutes, boom, our phone's in our hand, we're scrolling TikTok or staring into space. Sound familiar? What if I told you there's an actual science-backed way to study for 2 hours straight without losing focus? In this video, I'll break it down step by step so you can finally lock in, crush your work, and still have time left for yourself.
This process can be done by anyone. It's super easy, and you don't have to spend hundreds of dollars. So if you have any questions about this niche, drop a comment. I will reply as soon as possible. And I hope this video was valuable for you guys, and I wish you the best of luck. I will see you guys in the next video.